Welcome to Berry Boo Kids! The fruitiest fun is here!
Leah was walking through the forest, and she suddenly saw a soft golden glow between the trees.
Whoa! Forests don't glow at night! What's happening?
Before Leah could blink, a glowing path formed beneath her.
Is someone calling me? Come closer, Leah. Okay, this is getting weird, but I have to see what's there.
Do not be afraid, Leah. I have been waiting for you.
The Forest of Secrets has chosen you. Only you can unlock its hidden truth.
A portal? For me?
And with one deep breath, Leah stepped into the unknown.
Wow! It's like a whole new world inside. Hello there. Are you trying to stop me? Maybe. Only if you can catch me.
Leah leaped from stone to stone, chasing the mischievous sprite.
To open this door,
You must solve the riddle of courage and kindness.
I can do this. I have to help the forest.
With courage in her heart, Leah unlocked the secrets hidden for centuries.
The Forest of Secrets! It's amazing!
and this is only the beginning of your adventure, young hero.